Who is liable if I cause an accident in someone else's car? Have you ever wondered what happens if you get into an accident while driving someone else's vehicle? It can be a confusing situation, but understanding liability can help clarify things. When you cause an accident while driving someone else's car, several factors come into play. The key point to remember is that insurance coverage usually follows the car, not the driver. This means that the car owner's auto insurance is typically the primary coverage for any damages or injuries that occur during the accident. If you borrow a friend's or family member's car and cause an accident, their liability insurance will usually cover the costs. This includes property damage to other vehicles and bodily injury claims, up to the limits of their policy. If the damages exceed what their insurance can cover, your own auto insurance may kick in as secondary coverage, assuming you have your own policy. Now, what if you do not have insurance? In that case, you could be personally responsible for paying any amount that goes beyond the car owner's policy limits. This is why having your own insurance is so important, even when driving someone else's vehicle. The driver who causes the accident is held responsible for the incident itself. However, from an insurance standpoint, the car owner's liability coverage is the first line of defense. If you were using the car with the owner's permission, their insurance typically covers the accident. But if you were driving without permission, things can get tricky. The owner's insurance might deny coverage, leaving you to handle the costs yourself or through your own insurance. Sometimes, liability can be shared. For instance, if the car owner did not maintain the vehicle properly or if the driver acted recklessly, both parties might share responsibility. Insurance companies and legal authorities will assess the situation to determine how costs should be divided. To sum it up, the primary liability coverage usually comes from the car owner's insurance. The driver is responsible for causing the accident, but the owner's insurance pays first. If damages exceed the owner's coverage, your own insurance may help. Unauthorized use complicates things, and both the owner and driver can share liability in certain cases. Knowing these details can help you navigate the complexities of liability when driving someone else's car.